Welcome to Crystal Retail Suite tutorial videos. Today's video is part 1 of the inventory module, where we will explore the preliminary masters. Stock groups. This is the logical grouping of stock items, helping with easier classification, reporting, and bulk operations. For example, in a spa salon, stock groups could include products, services, and vouchers. In a boutique, you might have groups like clothing, perfumes, bags, and footwear. Units. Units define the measurement standard used for stock items. For example, you may use pieces for items like accessories, kilograms for bulk products, or liters for liquid-based inventory. Categories. It offers a higher-level classification to organize items based on type, use, or department. For example, in a spa salon, categories could include hair, nails, skin, face, or massage. Whereas, for a boutique, you might have categories like abaya, jalabaya, shella, long shirt, or gown. A brand denotes the manufacturer or label associated with a product. It supports brand-specific reporting and helps track product performance across different labels. In a spa salon, brands can include Olaplex, Kerastase, Redken, Wella Professionals, L'Oreal, Matrix, Maybelline New York, or Sugar Cosmetics. In a boutique, brands may refer to your designer partners, such as Aura Collections, Lotus Creations, or Harmony Abaya. Let's understand how a shampoo bottle is classified in the inventory system. Group. It falls under the products group, as it's a physical item sold to customers. Unit. The base unit is counted in pieces. Subunit. Since shampoo is measured in volume, we use milliliters, ml, as the subunit. Category. It belongs to the hair category based on its application. Brand. This product is labeled under the Crystal brand. Now, let us take one more example for a boutique business. The item is an abaya, a traditional wear. Group. Clothing, as it belongs to the apparel segment. Unit. Piece, since each abaya is sold as a single item. Category. Abaya, specific to the type of clothing. Brand. ARA Collections, representing the designer or supplier brand. Such structured classification ensures consistency and simplifies stock management across various business domains. That's all for part 1. Stay tuned for the upcoming video on stock and service entry. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.